The Georgian range now has a special underpainting white, which is precisely formulated to resist cracking and shrinking, so it's ideal for use in the initial stages of a painting. Flake White is another colour recommended for underpainting. To conform with recent regulations, this can now be sold only in tins in EC countries. White is probably the most important colour on an oil painter's palette. So while we're on the subject, let's look at the range. Titanium white is the whitest and the most opaque, so it has the best covering power and is the best for highlighting. It's also a useful white for mixing paler tints, so it's the most versatile all-purpose white, but because of its strength, the beginner may find it overpowering for mixing precise tints. Zinc white is a less powerful semi-opaque white, so it's good for tinting and translucent glazing. You'll also find mixing white in the Georgian range, which has a lower reducing strength than the other whites for greater control when blending with other colours. When mixing paler tints, always start with white and add colour to it until you get the strength of tint you want. There is another white available in tubes, Alkyd white. You won't find it on the colour chart because it's classed as a medium, or additive designed to alter the basic characteristic of colour as it comes straight from the tube. Alkyd is a synthetic resin which has been modified for use with oils to speed up the drying process and form a flexible, non-yellowing film. Alkyd white can be used on its own or mixed with oil colours for tinting. Alkyd Flow Medium is used to increase the transparency and flow of oil colour so it brushes out more easily and dries quicker. Alkyd Gel is slightly thicker. It has little effect on the consistency of the paint, but it cuts the drying time in half and produces a very durable finish.